Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Dead Island 2 error code. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is, if you have it downloaded from Epic Games Launcher, just go ahead and open up the Epic Games Launcher. From the Epic Games Launcher, make your way over to Library, and then from Library click on the three dots under Dead Island 2, and then go ahead and select Manage. Now once you go ahead and select Manage, what you can do is you can go ahead and choose Verify Files, and then once that is done, you can go ahead and launch Dead Island 2, and that should fix the error code. Another method you guys can do is by going over to the search bar and typing in Device Manager. Once the Device Manager is open, you can go ahead and make your way over to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver, and then go ahead and choose Search Automatically for drivers. Now another way of updating your drivers is by going over to the NVIDIA app directly if you are on NVIDIA, and you can do the same with AMD. Or you can just manually install it by going over to a browser of your choice and then just typing in latest drivers for AMD or NVIDIA. But anyways, go over to drivers and then go ahead and select the drivers if there is an update available, and it will say update available, and then download, and then you can go ahead and do that. Now once you do that, you guys should be good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.